Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Students, we have our first session of computer and you all know that we have done till page number 14. So now we are going to discuss page number 15 of the book. So everyone open page number 15. Formatting a table. As you all know that in the previous classes, we have discussed that how to use tables, what are the uses of tables, and how can we insert a table in our document, right? Now, we are going to discuss that how to format our table. A table should be attractive as well as informative. We should understand things better when they are presented in a way that is pleasing to the eye. We can improve the appearance of a table by making changes to its format. Let's see how can we format our table. You can add rows and columns to your table by selecting a row or column. The Table Tools tab appear on the ribbon. Okay. Beta, as we have discussed in level 7 as well, that whenever we are making any kind of document or any kind of presentation, so the desired presentation or the desired table should be very very appropriate, and it should be attractive as well as innovative as well. Okay, and it should have some information as well. So to make it in a better way or to present it in an attractive way, we can improve the appearance of table by making some changes in it. Okay. So how can we make our table look so attractive? Here are some points given to you. Number one is that you can add rows or columns. Whenever we are formatting or whenever we are inserting a table, so we have to add rows and columns to represent our table. Okay. Uh, how can we represent our table? By selecting a row or column, and you all can see on the you all can see the table on the tab which appears on the ribbon. Okay. This is called a ribbon and here it is represented. Second, select the layout tab. Now select the required option from the rows and columns group. Okay, second step you have to do is that you have to select the layout tab. Tab होगा एक layout, उसको select करना होगा and then you can select the required option. आप उसमें जितनी भी आपको rows और columns के जितने groups चाहिए, अगर 2 columns चाहिए आप 2 columns उसमें draw कर सकते हैं, 5 rows चाहिए, 6 rows चाहिए, आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप वो उसको कितनी select करें. ठीक है. Number third, similarly, you can delete a row or column by selecting it and then selecting delete from the row and columns group. Then you can select an option from the sub menu that appears. Okay, if you have inserted the desired rows or columns and if some of them are not for your use, if some of you have added more than your desired work, so you can also delete the rows as well as you can also delete the columns. How you can delete that row or column? By selecting it and then selecting delete. आप जैसे ही उस desired column या desired row को select करेंगे और select करने के बाद आपके पास एक option आ जाएगा delete. ठीक है, उसी को row को या column को delete कर सकते हैं. Now number 4, sometimes you might want to combine 2 or more cells into a single cell. To create a heading, for example, you can select cells and then select merge cells from the merge group of the layout tab. Okay, if you want to merge 2 or more cells into a single cell, अगर आपको 2 या 3 सेल, 2 से ज्यादा सेल्स को एक ही मार्जिन में मर्ज करना है, तो वो आप कैसे कर सकते हैं? बाय क्रिएटिंग अ हेडिंग. सपोज आपने लेवल 5 से लेके लेवल मैट्रिक तक आप लोगों को एक वो चाहिए. ठीक है, आपने सब हेडिंग लिख दी, लेवल 4, लेवल 5, लेवल 6, लेवल 7, लेवल 8. ओके, उसके बाद उनकी जो नीचे जो हेडिंग्स लिखेंगे आप उनको जब सब डिवाइड करेंगे, आप उनके सब्जेक्ट लिखने अलग अलग, इंग्लिश, उर्दू, मैथ, ऐसे ही ग्रेड, 5 की इंग्लिश उर्दू मैथ, ग्रेड 6 की इंग्लिश उर्दू मैथ। ठीक है, तो ये क्या हो गया, हमने इन्हीं के जो रॉज और कॉलम्स होंगे उनको क्या और ज्यादा सब डिवाइड कर दिया। नाउ नंबर 5th, similarly you can split one cell into several cells by selecting the cell or cells to be split and then selecting split cells from the layout tab. Beta, same with the cells, you can split one cell into several cells. Agar suppose this is what did I said, that one box of the table we call it cell. So you can split, you can divide cells into many cells as well. How you can do that? First of all, you have to select the cell. आपको एक या एक से ज्यादा जितने भी सेल्स को डिवाइड करना है उनको सिलेक्ट करें, और सिलेक्ट करने के बाद उन सेल्स को जितनी भी रिक्वायर्ड क्वांटिटी में आपको स्प्लिट करना है उसको स्प्लिट कर दें। ओके, फिर आप जैसे ही स्प्लिट सेल्स जो लेआउट टैब में आपके पास एक ऑप्शन आ रहा होगा स्प्लिट सेल, उसको सिलेक्ट करेंगे तो क्या होगा, आपके रिक्वायर्ड सेल्स उधर ऐड हो जाएंगे। So level 8 we have just discussed page number 15 today, and I hope this is clear to you all.